So in this video, I'm going to talk about my experience as a machine learning intern at a company called Iconicchain. First of all, let's talk about the company itself. Iconicchain was founded in 2017. It is based in Finland with a subsidiary in Hungary. Currently, it is Finland's fastest growing fintech company, and it provides solutions for regulatory compliance automation. As it is said in the company, compliance is based on facts, not faith. The company uses the blockchain method for the regulatory data recorder. The problem that me and Raisul are currently working on is related to the document validation. Essentially, our task is to classify the document to one of the existing classes that the user defines. For example, for each document type, we might be given one sample image, and the document images from the dataset provided by the user need to be grouped into each of those document types. I will come back to the problem later. Regarding my typical working week, well, it consists of 4 days working remotely and 1 day in the office in Helsinki. When I'm working at home, I have 2 working sessions, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. The interesting part happens when I'm visiting the office with Raisul on Fridays. In the morning, we visit Helsinki on a VR train with a beautiful sight of southern Finland. We usually come early to the office. It is pretty comfortable inside. We have our own desks with monitors, free coffee and snacks. After getting into the office, we start our brainstorming session on a whiteboard. This is needed to plan the further steps related to the project. Now coming back to the task of document type identification, we realize that this problem is not a simple classification problem. Formally, the problem we are solving is an open set recognition. Given the small dataset that might not encompass all variations, we need to create a model that can perform well on document types that are not included in the original dataset. Somehow we needed to make sure that first, the model is useful, meaning that it can automatically group some images from the user's dataset, and second, can be actively improved. To solve the task given to us, we have used some knowledge and concepts learned during our studies. The knowledge of data preprocessing techniques, feature extraction, and hands-on experience with convolutional neural networks with Keras all helped us to make good progress in solving this problem. By the way, this is me focusing on my work in the office. After having lunch and an afternoon working session, we like to conclude our working day with multiple matches in table football. I was lucky I've lost in this game against Raisul only one time. After packing up, we go to the Helsinki bus station to ride on the omnibus to Turku and start our well-deserved weekends. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for your attention.